My guess on this is worth $500, okay? This is a small grandfather clock, okay? You hear the noise? So there you go. Look at that dirt dauber on that. How did they even get in there? I mean, if you look at this from behind, how did they get in there? Oh, they went in through the side here. So this could be our major find for this. So this right here, this could be worth some money. My guess on this is worth $500, okay? If you look up here, it says that it's a Thomas, does that say Glaggett? It's from Roadport, Rhode Island, 1730 to 1749. This is probably worth something, even if it's not that old. It's made to be that old, but it was probably made to look that old a really long time ago.